This is a dirty headlight, and this is a clean headlight. We're gonna make that other headlight look like this one coming up. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Rob's Auto Detail. And today's detail, we're gonna be doing a restoration on headlights, and I'm gonna be using the Mequiars heavy duty restoration kit. Let's get started. What comes in this headlight restoration kit from Mequiars heavy duty? You get a couple of pads, or basically 2 pads. They give you just 1,000 grit paper, and they also give you a 3,000, which is a fine sandpaper. You have this adapter that goes in your power drill, which you're going to be using to polish the headlight. You also get the Plastic X, which is what you're going to be using as a compound, and a protection after to coat the headlight so you don't get any future oxidation. Also an applicator pad and an applicator for the liquid headlight coating for prevention of any future oxidation. I also got here a couple of 400 sandpaper and 1,000. You could also purchase these online if or at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. Alright guys, here we go. So I'm using the 400 grit sandpaper along with a professional spray bottle. What I'm using is just simple water. You want to get it nice and lubricated and go ahead and start sanding. I'm going to try to use one side just for this side of the headlight, and then the opposite side for the second headlight. So you just want to go left and right. And there's also this thing called cross path. So as you're hitting it left and right, with the other side you want to go this way once you go up to the 1,000 or 2,000. So we're just going to be sanding this. You want to let the sandpaper do mostly all the work. You want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush everything up. Just take your time and do your best. Alright guys, as you can see, it looks pretty hazy right now, but that's okay. Don't get discouraged. We're going to go ahead and jump up to the 1,000. And we're just going to do the same thing, go over it. Alright guys, at this point it looks like this. Really scary, right? It looks like it's almost like damaged. It looks even worse than before, right? So we're gonna go ahead and switch out to the 3,000 grit that Mequiars gives us, and we're gonna hit it up and down, left and right, or you can go cross path like this ways. Actually, this time I'll do this so we can see what if it makes a little difference. We'll go this way, and then I'm gonna go ahead and switch out and go this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this like that, and then switch it out and go like this, so you guys can see that. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to start this way first. Like I said, you want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush it. It's almost, what do they call that word? Therapeutic. You could put some music on, do this on your weekend day off. So we're going cross path at this point. Alright guys, now that I got done going like this ways, I'm gonna start going this way. And this will erase most of the lines to get ready for the drill side of this part. So after you're done with that process, we're gonna go ahead and put our drill to the highest speed. We're gonna shake up the bottle of the plastic X. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put I'll put like 3 drops, close it up, do a nice even little spread, just like if you're doing a compound on your paint, and go to town. There you have it guys, looking real nice. Now I don't know if you can get replacements for this. Maybe you can use like a different brand, but this one loses a lot of fuzz, as you can tell here. I don't like that too much. I'm not liking that. Maybe there's a different brand. Maybe you can buy some of these, or maybe just get the same one from the website. I'm not sure. Go ahead and clean this up. I'll apply a little more of the Plastic X. This time a little more on the edges to get the edge kind of wet. Since it is kind of dry on the sides, maybe that will stop the fuzz from puffing out. Right now I'm just spreading out the product, guys, to get it ready for the buffering. Well, there you have it, guys. Alright guys, here we go with the headlight coating. This is a coating that's going to prevent your headlight from oxidating in the future. You put a couple drops. And there you have it, guys. If you guys like the video, like, subscribe if you like this kind of content. And I'll see you guys on the next video.